Hello, and welcome to our unboxing of the tplink AC600 wireless USB adapter. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at what comes in the box and giving you a first-hand look at the product itself. Let's start with the packaging. The tplink AC600 comes in a small box with a picture of the adapter on the front, along with some basic information about the product. On the back of the box, you'll find a list of features and specifications. The adapter is small and lightweight, making it very easy to transport and use on the go. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless bands, with speeds of up to 150 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 433 Mbps on the 5 GHz band. Opening the box, we find the adapter itself nestled inside some cardboard packaging. Underneath the adapter, we have a quick installation guide and a CD with drivers and software. However, we recommend downloading the latest drivers and software from the tplink website, as the ones on the CD may be outdated. Setting up the adapter is very easy. Simply plug it into an available USB port on your computer, install the drivers and software, and you're ready to go. The software also allows you to connect to wireless networks and manage your connection settings. In terms of performance, we found that the tplink AC600 performed very well. We tested it on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks and found that it provided a stable and reliable connection with fast download and upload speeds. Taking a closer look at the adapter, we can see that it's small and compact, making it perfect for use with laptops or desktops with limited space. It's also great for use with older computers that don't have built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. We also appreciated the adapter's compact size, which makes it perfect for use with laptops or desktops with limited space. It's also great for use with older computers that don't have built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. The adapter has a USB connector on one end, which allows you to plug it into an available USB port on your computer. On the other end, there's a small antenna that can be adjusted for better reception. Overall, we're impressed with the tplink AC600 wireless USB adapter. It's small, lightweight, and easy to use, making it a great option for anyone in need of a reliable and high-performing wireless connection. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me create even better videos for you in the future. Thank you.